shoulder. See right now, just stick on the blood clot pedal at work. Right now. Like the next door there, I call a low cause. I turn the thing turn up here now. Yeah man, that one on the flicky button, double button joystick. Yeah man, yeah man. Yeah man.
Do something for that, record it flicky button, double button joystick, man. I think I talk about at the time, man. Sticky pedal at 1500 RPM, man, and chuck a move. Comfortable. Clarendon click it. Remember me tell you. Clarendon. Big up yourself in a foreign carrot. I always say Clarendon.